Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse in Logic Pro. So yeah, this is the best method because it works instantly, keeps your original file safe and can be turned off at any time. So select the basically the timeline which you want. So you are now see the timeline and now select the track you want. So I have audio right here, this one. So what we are going to do is at the bottom left corner you see these three icons. Select the middle one and then head over here to the general, and you will see in this menu reverse. If you toggle this on, uh, the sound will basically play backwards, and this is basically it. So yeah, this is a quick way to do that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.